Grandma, I really want a new toy. But I don't have a lot of money.
That's okay, Tucker. This is a good time to stop and think. Some things are called needs. Needs help us live, stay safe, and stay healthy. Other things are called wants. Wants are fun things, but we can wait to buy them.
Oh, I think I get it. My shoes are getting old, and they feel kind of small. I need new shoes that fit me better. But a toy spaceship is something I want, and that can wait.
That's a wonderful example, Tucker. Let's think about TJ for a moment. TJ needs food, water, and vet visits to stay healthy. But does TJ want a new toy all the time?
Wait! TJ doesn't need a new toy.
What do you mean?
TJ loves playing fetch. He can play with the old tennis balls our neighbor gave us last week.
That's a smart way to save money, Tucker. That way we can save money for what TJ really needs, like food and vet visits.
Needs first, wants later. I'm going to buy my new shoes first. And I'll save my money for my spaceship later.
That's called spending wisely.
Now it's your turn. What is one thing you need and one thing you want?
Tell a grown-up or think about it together.
Spending wisely means thinking before you buy.
Needs first.
Wants later. If you'd like to help me and TJ grow, you can share our video or give it a like. It really helps us. Thank you so much for coming to learn something new with us this week. See you next Sunday.
If you'd like to practice more, we made a fun activity you can do together.